Welcome back, students. Now we will talk about square roots. Uh, Square roots, you know that the square root is the inverse operating of squaring. To find the number with given square is called to find the number with given square is called the square root. For example, 2 square is equal to 4, so that root of 4 is 2. Root of 4 is 2. You mean in simple terms we can say that in paper in examination a question will be given to you, a number will be given to you, and you have to find a number uh, which on multiplying with itself gives us this particular number. For example, 100 is given to you. You have to first find, is there any number which when we multiply that particular number with itself, it is going to give us 100. For example 100. So is there any number 10 multiply 9 multiply 9 81. It is important that we have to multiply same number with itself. We cannot multiply 9 multiply 7, 9 multiply 6. Either we have to multiply 6 multiply 6 or 9 multiply 9. In the same pattern we have multiply 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100. In the same way, 121 is square of which number? 11 into 11. Okay, under root of. But there are methods of finding the square root, because in case of big numbers we won't be able to either to remember, we cannot remember all the numbers, as there are infinity numbers, and at the same time it is not possible to have automatically learn, because in examination examiner can give any number. So we have the methods. First method is square root through repeated subtraction. Look, here it is given. Repeated subtraction means when a number is given to you, you have to repeatedly subtract it by odd numbers, by consecutive odd numbers, not even numbers. 1, 3, 5. Here what number is given? It is 64. 64. For what is first odd number? 1. 64 minus 1 is 63. Now when I said that you have to subtract from it odd number, this does not mean that 64 minus 1, 64 minus 3. When we did the first step, what is the product of that step? That is 63. So for us new number will become 63. So we have to subtract it with another consecutive odd number. 63 minus 3 is 60, 60 minus 5 is 55, 55 minus 7 is 40, and so on. Look at this. I have the question over here. It is being subtracted. This particular number is being subtracted by consecutive odd numbers. Look, 1, 3, 5, 7. Here it is 9, 11. It has misplaced it somewhere. It has gone up or down. So just listen to my voice. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. So how many steps take place? How many times we have to multiply it, subtract it to get the number? We have to subtract it first 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 10 times. We have to subtract it, and so on. Now we have to subtract it how many times? 8 times. So how the step is taken, square of that number is going to be this particular. For example, we have taken 8 steps. 8 ka square is equal to 64. So 64 is the square root of 8. Then prime factorization you have to do. Prime factorization, prime factorization 784. Then you have to pair it. You have to pair it one by one. Pair it 2, and then square of that. For example, 784 to square. Pair 2 times 2 pairs and 7 pair. Then you have to multiply 7 under root of 784 is equal to 28. Then division method. First we have to start making the pair of digits starting from right, and if there are let us understand by example. 729, put a bar over bar on 2, starting from digit 9 and 2. 7 is single, so write is single. If you want to if you do not understand in that way, you can put 0 before 7 so that it become a pair. Then find a square number with which we can multiply. 2 square, 2 multiply 2, 4. If we do 3, we cannot do 2 multiply 3 because this is different. You have to divide, you have to write add divisor and quotient is the same number. Add divisor, add quotient, you have to write the same number. 2 multiply 2 is 4, so next is going to 3 multiply 3 is 9, so it is going to be greater than that. 2 multiply 4, then we subtract. 4 comes down. How sorry 4 thus divisor gets double of 2 is 4. So in the rest, like we do in simple division method, 7 minus 4 is 3 and 29 gets, so not a single number but a pair. And then we have write the same number over here and here. 47 multiply 7, that is 329, so under root of 729 is 27.